Platinum technology combines the very best of infrared remote control with the expanded benefits of radio frequency innovations. Control individual window coverings with the long-standing point and press method, or control groups of window coverings with the touch of a button, all from a single handheld remote control. Platinum technology works with any power rise, power glide, or power tilt system, meaning you can add the industry's most sophisticated control system to our most popular shadings, shades, blinds, and shears. In addition, their proprietary Platinum technology is also available for hardwired applications. Whether ordered new or as an easy-to-upgrade package, Platinum technology offers your customers convenient point-and-press control of individual shades, as well as the flexibility to control groups of shades, even when they're out of sight. The power of Platinum, only from Hunter Douglas.